Hey guys, what's up? It's Malin from Speed Industry. Today we're going to install these on our GR Corolla. These are from Blackline, so let's have a look at these and see how these are. So actually I saw the comments. We saw these at SEMA for the first time, and Mario actually gave a set of these to us for testing. And this is just a replacement. So this is going to go right in here and replace the reflector. Now we've already blacked ours out, as you can see here, but this is just kind of like an OEM look. And this is partnered with the Acexxon, if I'm saying that correctly. But these guys worked really close together. But this is available just for the GRC. Let's see if we can get into this and get these installed on our car. Let us know your thoughts. Do you like the smoked out reflectors? Do you need the red reflectors? Or do you want something like this on your car? So we've already removed this. We opened this up underneath here, and there's one screw here. It's a Torx bit, I believe, that we pulled this out, and we're just gonna pop this back in place here. So let's get the proper one. It's gonna be this guy. The correct orientation is this way. That's it. So do you guys like this look, or do you guys like the smoked look like this, where we just add the overlay, or would you prefer it to be like red? So this is what our overlay is. It's just it's like tint almost, guys. So what would you rather have on the car? So tip, in here is some different bolts. These are actually proprietary to the aftermarket piece, and you can't reuse the factory one. So as I've recommended in other videos, always scan the QR code. A lot of guys are doing this now. Gives you a quick overview of the full installation instructions. But yeah, you need to get these out, and they're in this little tiny hole right here. So okay, we took these off the original OEM piece, and we put them on this aftermarket piece. As you can see, the screw is not the same. So this screw, this screw right here. Now that these actually are out, we take this little foam and we just transfer it over here, just like that. So the bottom one now, same thing. And these are held in with these little clips here, if you will. And so watch when I put this in, then we still have to use the supplied bolt and come in from the backside and tidy all this up. These are available on our website. You guys can check them out. Installation is super easy. It is a nice OEM plus look. So let's finish the install, and we'll see you guys on the next video.